How to Make Money Web Scraping. March 1st, 2021 by John Grimes.
Do you have web scraping skills, or you want to know the prospects of having such a skill? Then come in now and discover the best ways you can make money web scraping. Before the internet became accessible to many people around the world, the availability of data is a huge problem. This is no longer the case as the internet has become one of the largest databases in the world with data in many forms: text, audio, and video. The availability of data on websites on the internet opens up unique money-making opportunities to programmers that have the skills to collect those data in automated ways, as manually collecting huge data can be time-wasting, error-prone, and sometimes not practicable. Are you a programmer and have skills in web scraping, or you want to take up a career in the field? Then you need to know that regardless of your level of experience and skill sets, there is money to be made provided you have a reasonable skill in it. In this article, you will learn a good number of ways you can make money with your web scraping skills. What is web scraping? Web scraping is the technical term used for the process of extracting data publicly available on web pages. Web scraping is carried out using computer programs known as web scrapers. Web scrapers are computer bots that automatically download web pages and parse out required data points to either use them immediately in making a decision or store them in a retrievable database that could be used later. For web scrapers to work, the process of extracting the required data must be predictive and replicable in an automated means.